Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a game called Treasure Island. So to create it, it's about a boat and it's trying to find gold. So if I hit the island, it's going to say your ship is wrecked. But if I touch the gold, it's going to say you found gold. So when I touch the green land, it's going to say your ship is wrecked. So to get started on this project, first create a fresh new project. Then I'm going to upload the backdrop that we're going to need for this, which is going to be a map with gold and land. Next, we're going to need a new sprite instead of the sprite cat. We're going to need a boat. Now that we have the boat and the map, we're going to need to fix the map because the map is really not in order. So we're going to have to put the blue land here so it covers the whole backdrop. That's going to be our ocean. Now first, for the sailboat, we're going to have to edit its size to like 40 or 50. I'm just going to choose 50. Now, to get started, go to the sailboat's code and get a when green flag is clicked, get a forever loop, and 2 if then statements. Now, you're going to need 2 sensing touching color blocks on each one. Now, set the touching color of 1 on land and 1 of the gold. Now, go to the looks and get a say hello block in the looks, and if it's touching land, say that your ship is wrecked. Or it could be broken. You can choose what it's going to say. Now, you're going to need a stop all block, so it's going to stop all the code. And same with F touching color gold. So we're going to need to have a block that says say hello for 2 seconds, and it's going to be saying you found gold. Now, we're not done with the code yet because we have to set up the motion. So we have a move 10 steps block and edit that to 1, and then get a point towards mouse pointer block. Now it should work. It's now following your mouse, and now whenever you touch land, it says your ship is broken. Now whenever it's going to touch gold, it's going to say you found gold. Your ship is broken because it touched land. So you can edit the land if you want, and I'm just going to put the gold a little easier for the player to get. Now it's a little easier for the player to get. Now to see it, start. Oh, and we forgot one thing. We need to get the sailboat to have a go to block. So now when we start the project, it's going to start somewhere that we want it to start. I want it to start here. So now we gotta go to x minus 201 and a y 102. So now it's going to start there always. So now we can get the gold. And this is what it says when it gets the gold. You found gold. Well, that's it for today, guys. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.